guys, good morning. This is Dr. Freddie again of Freddie's Farm. So for today, we're going to make Bokashi. Hello sister.
Hey, welcome.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Hey,
Yes.
it's cold today.
Yeah, it's good. I'm preparing for you a cup of tea today. You have to take something.
Hello, sister.
Oh, I'm feeling cold.
Sister, that's why you see.
Yes,
you see,
I'm going
Masai.
to get my sweater.
Prof is going to make organic Bokashi for our land, sister, for all our land.
Oh, you have also come with this one.
Yes.
Ma, yung likod naman tayo kinukuha.
I think we put it, I wrapped mine these ones.
Ah.
So I think it's better they stick it so that they don't lose it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I hope it will not rain. Oh, there.
This is sawdust.
Yeah. Okay.
The rain is here.
The rain is here.
And then this is manure.
Yes. Where did you get this fine one? This
Manure?
one? Yeah.
I just bought from people who are selling on the road. Yes.
How much? With Andeve or
This
a
one,
sack?
400 per sack.
400.
Yes.
Oh. It's better than fertilizer.
Yeah.
This is for the is
This
it
is to make the soil
for, is
porous.
it for cows or on goats?
I think I don't know.
Good.
Goat?
Goat, yeah. And you know from goat it's also a kind of chemical.
Yeah.
When there is worms, you could beat them.
And then the other one is like that.
So it is two sacks of
No,
Three.
three sacks.
3 to.
3 2.
okay.
Ideally, it should be 1:1. 3 3.
Okay.
But I managed to buy only 2 sodas.
So the whole team is here now today.
Yes.
Yeah, Josh and the wife is coming also. So now we are preparing the
What is this?
EM sister. Good bacteria.
Oh,
The good bacteria.
yes, I know good bacteria.
Yes.
I know
So-
because in farming you don't use the green potassium.
We mix first. This one is 10 liters. So you have to put 1 cup like this. But measure only.
So now you won't be able to stay outside.
Yeah. So
You will stay
Yes.
inside.
just 10 like that. Okay. Put water now.
Oh.
So this is we're going to introduce good bacteria there. So that now we spread it in the farm. It will now neutralize.
No, you was brown here.
Yes.
Up or on down.
Down there. Then we shall cover. Okay.
Oh, but you
This
don't
one
cover with a lot of soil. Use the soil.
No, not that much.
Okay.
Another 100 ml.
Okay, you tell me when they come.
Yes, sister.
I prepare some.
Yes, sister. Thank you, sister.
No, do not spread. Do like this. Wait. We do like this, yeah?
Okay.
You on the other side.
Utafanya mjengo vingine mzee? Mjengo nini na?
Hey.
Ona mzee.
You start here. You do like this. You follow me. You do like this. Tama. Hey. Start here. Turn. Like this, turn. Yeah. You understand?
Apon so.
That's how to do it.
Sa akin lahat nakakalikod po.
Dito ka ba? Nice? That's the secret, huh? Okay. Now, we get that one, Mose. This one. One more time. So, Mose, water here, and then we will turn again. Yeah, hapa.
Leta ile so kuja.
Oh, wait. Let me do it. I will. Okay.
Vendua sawa.
Yeah. Okay. Turn, Mose, turn.
Leta vendua hivi straight.
Like that. Oh, wait. Wait.
Ngoja.
Okay. Go.
Where you go back.
On top. Hey.
Yes, morning.
Wait.
Itigil ko na? Tama na?
Wait. I
Huh?
ran out of here. Put water. Ay.
Green water.
Yeah.
Oh, después me dice, pues ahora no puede leer engineer.
Add more.
Stop ko muna.
Ha? Okay lang.